Did you know some animals sleep almost all day while others barely sleep at all? Here are 5 wild sleep facts. Bats sleep up to 20 hours a day hanging upside down. Elephants only sleep 2 to 4 hours a day, usually standing. Dolphins sleep with just 1/2 of their brain so they can keep swimming and breathing. Cats are sleep champions up to 15 hours a day. Giraffes only sleep a few minutes at a time to stay alert for predators. Every animal sleeps differently based on danger, size, and brain power. Which animal would you be? Let me know in the comments. Follow for more videos.